He is ISI qualified, he is CMI is qualified with full scholarship, and today he's going to share some secrets about his preparation.
Not really good in mathematics. After the towards the end of the exam, dead batch, I watched one of the videos of INMO awardees. He couldn't clear in the first attempt as well. So I was like, okay, it's the story with everyone. It's not just me.
Hi everyone. So another amazing session it is going to be with Astitva Yadav. He is ISI qualified, he is CMI qualified with full scholarship, and he's from full math mastery batch. And today he's going to share some secrets about his preparation, and also one of the hacks he was telling me about two problems of CMI which came from Krishnendu sir's handout. So welcome Astitva and thank you for taking out time for the viewers. How do you feel?
Thank you, sir. I'm feeling great to be here.
Great. So again, for the viewers, Astitva is one of the students who's cleared both ISI and CMI. In fact, he's got admission in B-Stat ISI. He's already gotten admission. So Astitva, how did that journey start? So Astitva is from Delhi. And so how did the journey start? When did you decide that you wanted to get into ISI?
Okay, so from 9th and 10th, actually I was not really great, not really good in mathematics in class 9th. But it was in my school, one of my teacher, because of him, I kind of got into this. And from there on...
into IOQM?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I was into that normal mathematics that
school mathematics
at the school level. So it was just an entry point. And in class 10th, I decided to appear for IOQM. And it was my first attempt. I got only 7 marks.
7 marks in IOQM 2023.
Yes, sir.
It was one of the toughest papers also.
Yes, sir. So I was like, that was like a reality check for me that, okay, the maths you're doing is not...
Okay, so तुम्हें लगा कि मैं स्कूल में तो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that was a huge reality check. So from there on, I was like, okay, let's go for JEE. This is not my stuff. So I got into the calculus mastery batch that year, just after the exam. So after the towards the end of the exam, dead batch, I watched one of the videos of INMO awardees. Yes, it was I couldn't Aditya Agarwal. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So he was. I remember that his story.
So Aditya is 1 year younger than you. He's not Bhaiya.
Oh.
Aditya is in 12th right now.
Okay. So yeah, I remember his story that he couldn't clear in the first attempt as well. So I was like, okay, it's the story with everyone. It's not just me. So that motivated me a bit that, okay, it's not your fault. It's not like you're not made for this. It's everyone is on the same page.
Yes.
So from there on, I was like, let's give it a try. Because this kind of math is it's really good because it requires a lot of logic and critical thinking. So even though I had the opportunity to go out and prepare for JEE from a reputed institute, so
you were getting the calls from the top institutes and CO batches, so-called CO batches.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I turned them down because I was like, okay, I don't want to do BTech. I don't want to go for JEE. So I texted Rajat sir on Telegram, and he said, let's connect on a call, talk about it. So we talked. He told me that, okay, don't take that gamble. I have a backup option. So
and you went against his wishes, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I was thinking to have a backup option, but towards the last, my chemistry is really bad. So I was like, okay, I won't be able to do anything in JEE.
But again, it is very difficult. I was talking to you, very difficult from someone from the North part, because the awareness of these programs, ISI CMI is very less, right? So if there's some parent, some student who's from the eastern part of India, they would know about ISI, and
Yes, sir.
also people from the South India, they would know about ISI and the importance, and CMI also. But how was it difficult to convince your parents?
But actually, it was a very last moment decision from me. So they thought initially that okay, it's another impulsive decision. So I had to convince them. Of course, they searched on YouTube a lot. I showed them your videos on the VUS channel telling about the institute and many other videos which are there because they are very few. So I searched them and shown to them that it's a great college. It's nothing less than IITs. So I got them convinced.
Awesome.
Somehow.
And then
Yes,
you
sir.
joined Full Math Mastery Batch
Yes, sir.
in 2024, which was targeting 2026.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how was the first class?
Right from the first class, Chetan sir said, we will talk about the syllabus later. Let's do a puzzle. So it was Josephus problem he discussed.
The first problem he started with Josephus, huh?
Yes, sir. And he discussed a lot of puzzles. He taught us almost half till I remember he taught us till March of 2025. So during all this time, he discussed a lot of puzzles. Like if the slides are over for the class, it's not like that he would end the class right there. He would go on, let's do a puzzle. So it was great. We discussed a lot of puzzle. He would give us it in homework and we will just wonder about it.
And how did it help? Because see, these kind of things, again, of course, one, it gives pleasure to the students, particularly the ones who enjoy mathematics. The second is, right, so we know that these puzzles, these kind of mathematical puzzles, the puzzles which help students think, definitely help them improving their IOQM, these kind of scores and ISI scores. So how did that performance help you in IOQM 11th when you wrote it for the second time?
So, of course, the good part was that our syllabus for the IOQM was covered within the first 3 months of the batch. So, there was not an issue. And plus, these logical puzzles, they helped a lot because in IOQM, in the first attempt itself, I saw that, okay, I had covered the syllabus. I knew the theorems from geometry and all, but I couldn't do the many problems. The main reason was that I couldn't think systematically during the exam. I lacked the temperament and speed and a lot of many things, and of course the logical thinking part. So these puzzles really help in that part.
So how much did you get in IOQM 2024?
I scored 35 from Delhi region. It was just the cutoff. Just enough to get through. So I had like 10 days to prepare for RMO that year. So I went on and appeared for RMO because I was like, wasn't even expecting that I will get to write RMO. So I was like, okay, I'm getting to write this exam. It's enough for me. So I went on and I was able to do the first problem in first 25 minutes.
Awesome.
But I later on struggled in the other problems. I couldn't do any more.
That happens, particularly for the students who are doing it for the first time, subjective writing for the first time.
Yeah, so I had like 23 marks in RMO. And the cutoff was around 36, I remember. So, of course, it was not enough to get qualified for INMO, but for me, I was satisfied with it. Because writing RMO is itself a big feat for me.
Awesome. So talk us about the last part of the journey. So once the syllabus was completed and Krishnendu sir took over this batch, how was that experience?
So there the things got interesting because after the final exams, in the last UGB classes, and so there Krishnendu sir came in and the content he comes up with into class, it's just amazing. Like I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube and I have a lot of resources in different books and all handouts. I searched a lot of these things. I have a great collection. But still, the problems he come up with and the resources he shared with us, they were all just awesome. And the greatest example was CMI part B. So there were two calculus problems which were exactly the same. One of them, the part B of that problem was slightly different, but the idea was there. So
So there were two
and
problems which came in
yeah,
CMI paper and they were shared with you few days back
yeah,
by
one was in a
Vedantu.
test and one was in an
Yeah, yeah.
assignment.
Awesome,
So
awesome. So were you able to attempt both?
yeah, I attempted both and I probably scored full in both. I attempted a total of four problems.
Huh.
One was on polynomials. Actually, polynomials was one of my strongest topics. Even
Hmm.
in ISI UGB part,
Hmm.
the first four problems were the easiest. But in the first problem, I attempted just part one, and the graph one I didn't do, and also the AMGM one I mistakenly applied weighted AMGM. So couldn't do that one. But in the last four problems, they're probably the harder ones. And three of them were on polynomials. So I did all three of
Or
them.
harder ones you were able to do, and but
Yes, sir.
anyways, so this was, again, glad that this preparation helped you get into your dream college. So how happy you are for having
So
qualified? See, so these
extremely
are the
happy,
two
sir.
things, right? So ISI, CMI are the pinnacle of mathematics in India for the students who want to do get into maths, and you've gotten both, and it's a great choice to have. So, what have you decided, and how did you decide?
Okay, so Krishnendu sir again helped in this. He conducted a session
But he
with
conducted a session for CMI. No,
no, it
for
was
both.
for
Yes,
both.
yes, yes.
It was for ISI Bangalore,
Hmm.
Kolkata, and CMI.
Hmm.
All three of them. So there were alumni who were doing masters from CMI, who is doing bachelors, and he is currently doing PhD. So we had all three levels in the session. So it helped to decide, and I wanted to have an option which can provide a career as well, together with a great research opportunities. So for that thing, I preferred ISI B start in Kolkata.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, Asitva, thank you for sharing all the insights. And again, Jate Jate, so again, this is something which he asks every student. So, one, two, three things that you want to share to someone who's eyeing 2027 ISI or 2028 ISI. Things to do, things not to do. Anything from from your experience of your learning.
Okay, so I would say that practice a lot of subjective problems. I maintained a notebook in which I used to do a lot of subjective problems. Many of them I wouldn't be able to do in the first try. So I would read the solution, and if I think that okay, it was mind blowing, I just write it up. It was like an idea book, a collection of
Awesome.
many ideas.
Hmm.
And also, on your suggestion, I maintained a mistake
Oh,
notebook.
you did. Awesome.
So that
Did
also
it help?
helped. Yes, sir. A lot of silly mistakes, which was because during the test series that was shared with us, I used to take a lot of tests, and I realized that I'm doing same mistakes again and again, a lot of silly errors. Like, and in one test, I got 8 problems wrong. So I was like, okay, this is enough. Let's maintain a mistake notebook.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. And I would say the last 2-3 months, they're extremely important. So it's advisable that just lock in these months. And yeah,
Awesome.
and yeah, that is pretty much it. Yes.
Okay. And how accessible was Krishnendu, sir,
So
in the last
we
year?
had him on WhatsApp. We can message him anytime. I remember talking to him at 3 a.m. in night. He would answer us.
Oh, amazing. I mean, this is something which everyone is saying. So hats off to his dedication. And
Yes, sir. It was a great help. Yeah.
super, super. So, Asitva, wishing all the best for the next 5 years of your life. And I'm sure ISI Kolkata life is going to be great and awesome. And going to do really great. And keep on sharing the pics and keep on sharing the wisdom and keep on keep on guiding the students who are in the
Yes, sir.
US.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Asitva.